Welcome back, aspiring chemists. In this video, I am extracting manganese dioxide, zinc, and carbon electrodes from an everyday dry cell battery, all useful materials for DIY science experiments. These components will be used in future videos, so if you want to see what I do with them, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Today's experiment is also part of a collaboration with two chemistry creators I respect. A quick shout out to Molecular Playground, who explores simple organic synthesis and hands-on science like acetone peroxide synthesis, and Chemist, known for lab-style reactions and acid preparation experiments. If you enjoy practical chemistry, definitely check them out. Now let's get started. When picking your AA battery, you shouldn't pick a brand new battery or a very old battery. You should pick a battery that has recently been used. And the tools we are using for the extraction today are a plier, a screwdriver, and a cutter knife. Also, you have to wear gloves for this experiment to prevent the chemicals inside the battery from coming in contact with your skin. First, we take off the label. Then we use the screwdriver to create a dent at the top of the battery. This will enable us to use the plier to pry out the plastic seal. Then we use the cutter knife to cut open the zinc casing to reveal the core of the battery. Okay, this is the zinc metal. Now, using the plier, gently pull out the carbon rod. This is the carbon electrode. What's left is the manganese dioxide, so we cut through the cardboard casing and empty it in a container. These are the leftover parts of the battery, so we discard them. I repeated the process for 2 more batteries, and now we have a decent amount of extract. The manganese dioxide is mixed with some ammonium chloride impurity, so it needs to be washed. To do that, I broke up the big chunks, added some water, and stirred it up a little. I also put the zinc and carbon electrodes in water to wash them. Once the manganese dioxide has settled, I decanted it, washed it again, and then decanted it one more time. After a few hours, the manganese dioxide dried, and I was left with this fine black powder. This manganese dioxide will be used to make powerful oxidants like potassium permanganate. The carbon electrodes are already being used for electrolysis experiments, and the zinc metal will be used for future metal plating reactions. If you want to see these materials due to their full potential, subscribe.